It's Saturday, January 10th, 2025, and we got some severe weather to talk about, so let's jump straight into it. So we do have a risk for severe weather out here. If you're down here in parts of Alabama, parts of Louisiana, up there into Georgia, North Carolina, and South Carolina. First thing I want to talk about is this yellow slight risk, which is over here for parts of Mississippi, a big majority of Alabama, and a little bit of Georgia as well. The slight risk is going to be for severe winds, a possibility to see some tornadoes, as we do get a 5% tornado risk if you live in this area, meaning that you can see some tornadoes. There's going to be a low chance for hail, but there's going to be chances for some severe wind out here if you live inside of this risk. Then you got a marginal risk going from Louisiana all the way up there into parts of North Carolina, a very tiny bit of North Carolina and South Carolina, where there will be an isolated chance for to see isolated severe thunderstorms. So we need to be aware for some of these storms that move east. It's just going to be a line of storms. There's going to be a small chance to see tornadoes. So like if you're over here in Atlanta, you guys should be fine, but the main concern will be severe weather. The same with Mobile, Montgomery, Birmingham, and New Orleans. So the main concern will be severe weather, and the severe weather will be over for a lot of you guys pretty soon here. So let's check out the future radar. So this is what the storms look like right now. You can see that we have a big blob of rain up here that we don't really have to be concerned about. The main concern will be down here, which is the line of storms. So these line of storms will continue moving east with an isolated chance for tornadoes. So let's check. So let's see what it will look like as it moves closer to Georgia. So this is what it could look like at 11 a.m. as it gets closer to LaGrange and Atlanta. You can see Atlanta could get hit by some severe weather, so if you're in Atlanta, just be aware for some severe thunderstorms, and that's about it. It'll continue moving east, and it should start weakening as it moves further east. So the further east you are, the lower chance you are to get tornadoes or severe winds. As the time I'm making this video, there are no tornado warnings right now, but we do got some tornado watches out here for parts of Alabama, including a little bit of Georgia. Tomorrow, we are not expecting any severe weather tomorrow, so that's good. No severe weather expected tomorrow. No severe weather expected the next day. This is probably like the last severe weather risk that we're gonna have until tornado season. But I'll keep you guys updated for severe weather. But after the storm passes through, the main thing that we're gonna be seeing is winter weather, so like snowstorms and stuff like that. So that's what we're gonna be talking about next. We do got some snow up here in parts of Wisconsin and parts of northern Illinois. There's nothing wrong with this. Could cause a few icy roads. Also got a little bit of snow over here near Sioux Falls. So let's check out the future radar for some of these snow areas over here. So let's check out the future radar for this snow. The snow will continue moving east, and it's going to cause a lot of snow over here in Michigan and the UP in Michigan. I don't know about a lot. There's going to be some rain at the bottom part of this over here in Ohio, Indiana, and Pennsylvania. It's going to be pretty cold and gross out today if you're down there. Soggy, and there's going to be a lot of rain, and that's going to push through. And then we're going to see some snow develop behind it right here, and this could actually be a snow squall that we might have to be concerned about. But yeah, there'll be some rain if you live in Ohio. And not everyone in Ohio will get rain today, but some people will. Same with Indiana and Pennsylvania and New York. But this snowstorm is nothing to be worrying about. But just the only thing that you need to be worrying about is going to be icy roads if you live in any of the affected areas. So this is the affected area. So if you're in this risk over here, which is a marginal winter weather area, be aware for icy roads. Same if you're in this slight minor impacts and this marginal winter weather area. So yeah. So the United States is definitely going to be getting colder. So after the storm passes through, the United States will be getting colder temperatures. And as it gets colder, we're going to be seeing some snowstorms. So this is what it could look like on January 14th. You can see, let me see, I'm going to move this a little bit. We're going to have like some snow out of Canada most likely, and cause some snow in some of these areas over here. Nothing to be really concerned about. As we push towards late January, there could be a few other bigger snowstorms like this. This is what it looks like around January 17th. You can see a few snow areas. We can see snow pretty far south a few times possibly this January, but that's a kind of low chance. And then if we go towards January 21st, it looks like we're going to have some moisture and rain be pulled up from the Gulf of Mexico up into the southeast, which is not expected to cause any snow, but this is for January 21st. But it doesn't seem like there's going to be a snowstorm on January 21st anymore. After that thing passes, we can see a few other snowstorms come through, but you never know what's going to happen throughout January. We are expecting maybe some excessive rainfall today. If you live in this green, possibly, which means you turn around, don't drive on kind of flooded roadways. Could see some floods, especially for rivers and maybe some lakes. But anyways, guys, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next weather update video. Expect another video tomorrow.